just a good old boy.
Whew, it takes a while to get all this stuff set up. I forgot how long it takes just to get all these cameras out of the bag and ready to go. I'm fertilizing again today. On to the next day. I don't know. I've been fertilizing now for several days. We got another truckload coming Monday. Yep. So I'll have about got the building empty on this load. So I've got another truckload coming Monday to start all over again. Go back to putting more out. And spreading this stuff. Good thing about the trucks is when they come, they run a lot faster than I do in the tractor, because they got air ride, air seats, and all that. Which this tractor has an air seat, but I don't want to run it fast. I know this ground. I'd rather take my time and do it right than fly over it and tear something up or whatever. So it's taking me a little bit longer, but I wouldn't say it's taking me a lot longer than them, especially if they were running the trucks, because I'd spend most of the time just pulling them out. Like where I'm at right now, it's wet, and if the trucks were here, they wouldn't be able to fertilize this right now where I'm at. They would have to stay above it. I just went through an area there where there was water. I could see water literally puddled up from the rain that we just had on top of the ground. So if that tells you anything. And the good thing is this tractor has real wide tires on it, so that it floats good. And then the spreader, this particular spreader, is a dual axle spreader with big flotation tires. They had single axle, basically tractor tires, turn reverse buggies, and that I did not want those because, well, one, our ground's hilly, and two, they don't float too good. So, at least from what I've seen out of them, but somebody else may have a different opinion. But that's what I'm into again. We're just getting this stuff on. I've got to spray everything still. Dad started spraying today. He's going right now to start spraying hay ground. So we are spraying and fertilizing and everything right now all at the same time. Some of our ground has been fertilized. It had poultry litter put on it. There is 2 pieces of property that are supposed to get poultry litter that has not gotten anything yet, and I'll be honest about it, I'm afraid that they ain't gonna get none, because last year the same people were supposed to put fertilizer on it, and we wound up and had to order extra commercial to put on them because they never put no litter on it. They said, well, we just didn't have enough and couldn't do it, and they were supposed to do it again, and when they cleaned out to do it, the houses that they were on that was supposed to be our litter to go on our place, they decided that they wanted to put it on their own, and here we are again, left with no litter, and they put it on our cow pasture. So I mean, it's their litter and it's their stuff, so I can't really say anything other than they said they was going to do it, and then now again they've not done it. I don't know why. We'll put it this way, I didn't negotiate that one. So yeah, I did the commercial side. It's frustrating, it really is, because it totals up to about, there's 2 fields. I think it ends up being about 50, around 50 acres that it adds up to be, and it's a little bit annoying that I'm going to have 50 acres of ground potentially with no fertilizer on it. So I don't know. I put in my order for my commercial's so high this year, I don't want to buy anymore. Poultry litter around here is very high too. It's as much as commercial, if not more, in some cases. So I don't know. I don't know. I hadn't really determined what I'm gonna do with that situation yet. But I don't know. I'm kind of up in there about it. And I'm not done spreading commercial yet, so I may wind up and spread on it with commercial too, and just go ahead and get them to bring me a little bit extra.
His collar's blue, his neck is red. Works hard all day to keep his family fed. Feels like he sold his soul for the bills he pays. Every night at supper he still says grace. 'Cause he was raised to love Jesus and the USA. But when you grow up in the South, you're raised that way. You won't hear him bitch and moan about it. He's old school and that just ain't his way. He roll up his sleeves, he's gonna do the best he can. With a Bible on the table, a shot of whiskey in his hand. His hands are like leather from the long hard days. 'Cause when you're raising 3 kids, you don't get no breaks. The love of his life passed away last year. He was right by her side when she shed her last tear. No time to feel lonely, no time to slow down. Gotta stay strong 'cause he's mom and daddy now. You won't hear him bitch and moan about it. He's old school and that just ain't his way. He roll up his sleeves, gonna do the best he can. With a Bible on the table, shot of whiskey in his hand. He's on his own now, gotta do the best he can. With a Bible on the table, shot of whiskey in his hand. There's a Bible on the table, shot of whiskey in his hand.
So thank y'all for watching. Please comment, rate, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.